White-collar crimes often go unnoticed but can cause huge financial damage. These nonviolent offenses involve deceit, lies, and misuse of trust for personal or company gain. The top three white-collar crimes are securities fraud, corporate fraud, and money laundering. Securities fraud happens when people cheat in the stock market. It can include insider trading or lying about a company's finances. Corporate fraud involves business leaders stealing from their own companies. This might mean cooking the books or taking company money for personal use. Money laundering is when criminals try to make dirty money look clean by moving it through legal businesses. These crimes are sneaky and hard to spot. They can hurt many people and cost billions of dollars, but they only make up about 3% of federal cases. This shows how tricky they are to catch and prove. Securities fraud tricks investors with false information about stocks or other investments. A common example is a Ponzi scheme. In this scam, old investors get paid with new investors' money instead of real profits. Companies might lie about their finances to make their stock look better. They could hide debts or inflate sales numbers. This false data can fool people into buying overpriced stocks. Investment fraud also includes selling fake stocks or bonds. Scammers may promise huge returns that are too good to be true. Insider trading happens when you buy or sell stocks based on secret company information. This gives you an unfair edge over other investors. If you're caught, you could face big fines and jail time. The SEC investigates suspicious trades and can force you to give back illegal profits. Insider trading hurts trust in the stock market. It makes regular investors feel the game is rigged against them. Companies often set strict rules to prevent insider trading. They limit when employees can trade company stock and what information they can share. Corporate fraud and embezzlement are two of the most common white-collar crimes. They cause major financial losses for companies and investors. These crimes often involve complex schemes to hide money or manipulate financial records. Types of corporate fraud. Corporate fraud takes many forms. Some common types include falsifying financial statements, insider trading, bribery, and kickbacks. Price fixing. Enron is a famous example of corporate fraud. The company used deceptive accounting to hide billions in debt. This led to one of the biggest bankruptcies in U.S. history. Public corruption is another type of corporate fraud. This happens when business leaders bribe government officials for favors or contracts. Money laundering and tax evasion are major white-collar crimes that hide illegal funds and avoid paying taxes. These schemes use complex methods to conceal criminal profits and evade government oversight. Processes of money laundering. Money laundering happens in three main steps. First is placement, where dirty money enters the financial system. Criminals may deposit cash in banks or buy assets like property. Next comes layering. This involves moving funds through multiple accounts and transactions. The goal is to hide the money's illegal source. Criminals might wire money overseas or invest in businesses. The final step is integration. Now the laundered money looks legitimate. Criminals can spend it freely without raising suspicion. They may buy luxury items or invest in legal enterprises. Tax evasion tactics. Tax evasion uses illegal methods to avoid paying taxes. Some common tactics include underreporting income, inflating deductions, hiding money in offshore accounts, using cash for large purchases, creating fake businesses. Tax evaders might also file false returns or fail to file at all. Some use complex schemes like shell companies to hide assets. Others make illegal deductions or claim fake credits. You can spot potential evasion through unexplained wealth or lavish spending. Be wary of businesses that deal mostly in cash. Watch for those who seem to live beyond their means. White-collar crimes can have serious consequences for individuals and society. The top three white-collar crimes are fraud, embezzlement, and money laundering. These offenses often involve deception and abuse of trust in professional settings. Fraud covers a wide range of schemes to gain money or benefits through false pretenses. It can include investment scams, insurance fraud, and identity theft. Embezzlement involves misusing funds entrusted to you, like an employee stealing from their company. Money laundering aims to make illegally obtained money appear legitimate. Criminals use complex transactions to hide the source of illicit funds. This enables other illegal activities to continue undetected. Law enforcement agencies like the FBI investigate these crimes. They work to uncover sophisticated financial schemes and bring offenders to justice. Punishments can include fines, asset seizure, and prison time. An Arizona criminal defense lawyer who focuses on these cases understands how prosecutors build their arguments. They know which defense strategies work best based on the facts of your arrest. Acting quickly to get legal representation gives you the best chance at a favorable outcome. If you're facing charges relating to a white-collar crime, you might want to understand Arizona's law and secure the right legal counsel to ensure a fair trial. Call the Phoenix Criminal Lawyer Criminal Law Team at a 602-600-0447 to get expert-level legal help with your case.